Want to protect your carpets from paint, debris, or foot traffic? We'll show you how to easily install carpet protection film to safeguard your floors during renovations or events. Our carpet protection film is reverse wound, with the adhesive on the outside of the roll, making it simple and easy to install. Before we get started, let's make sure carpet protection film is the right choice for your project. First, are you working with synthetic carpet or carpeted stairs? If so, you're good to go. Next, how long do you need the protection? This film is perfect for up to 45 days of use. Finally, how big is the area you're covering? For large spaces, using an applicator to make the job easier is recommended. Ready to protect your carpets? First, make sure your carpet is clean and dry. Debris and moisture can affect how well the film sticks. Let's get started. Remove the plastic covering and find the Rolls tab. Unroll about 6 inches and press it firmly at the edge of the carpet. Beginning at the edge of the carpet, unroll approximately 10 inches of film, pressing firmly to ensure a smooth, secure fit. Continue unwinding the roll 10 inches at a time and pressing down firmly to apply it to the rest of the carpet. For faster application, make it a two-person job. One unrolls and the other presses down. When done, cut the film with a knife or razor. If you are applying additional carpet film in the same area, make sure to overlap lengths for full coverage. Don't forget to write the date on the film using a permanent marker. The film must be replaced within 45 days. Now that your carpet is protected, you are now ready to begin your project. If you need to protect your stairs as well, we've got you covered there too. To install carpet protection film on your stairs, begin by unrolling about 6 inches and align it with the stair tread. Press firmly. Continue unrolling and press down firmly on each stair. Work your way down, applying stair by stair, pressing firmly as you go. Once the stairs are covered, cut the film with a knife. Make sure it doesn't overlap onto uncarpeted surfaces. And that's it, your stairs are protected. We hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for trusting TapeManBlue's USA-made carpet protection film. Check out our full line of surface protection products for all your project needs.